This one's from Mikey. He asked, any plans to sell upgrades for the STX? Well, I believe that there are STX parts right here on. Whoops, I went on the old 15F. Let me bring up the 160, and we'll show Mikey a full catalog of available parts for the current STX 160. There is a plate, a pump wedge, intake grate, a full stage 1 kit. We have sponsons, exhaust tips. Wow, you got all sorts of stuff.
We got a few, yeah. That ride plate changes the way they handle. It messes with the speedo, but it changes the way that ski performs is that ride plate.
No kidding.
You just got to understand that your speedo's not going to read correctly anymore. You either get water flowing across the plate to spin the wheel correctly, or you get water flowing across the plate to make the ski handle better.
Right. Well, no one ever relied upon that paddle wheel for an authentic speed anyway. So I think that's a foregone conclusion. Does Can-Do do a GPS speedometer adapter for that unit? I thought Can-Do did one.
They might, but I haven't put one on it.
Okay, because a lot. Well, no, because it maybe because it's using the old paddle wheel, it might still have the old pinned plug. I'd have to.
It will, yeah, it does. So it would be able to work. Me, it's a speedo. I don't care.
Yeah.
Like it's,
all right.
I like how it rides.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're not looking at your speedometer. You're, if anything, you're watching your tachometer, but you're riding the ski. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.